Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to tell you, does Samsung Galaxy? The answer is yes. Let me show you where it's located. Open the quick settings bar by sliding from the top right edge down. Normally the Wi-Fi calling feature is right here when you expand this window. If it's not there, you can add it manually. Hit the pencil icon, click Add Control, and find it from the list. Turn it on, just tap, and now it's on. To turn it off, tap once again. If you hold, you also have the toggle here and can select calling preference. That's all for this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this helpful,